Sati was the daughter of King Daksha, a powerful ruler and a devotee of Lord Vishnu. From a young age, Sati was deeply devoted to Lord Shiva, the ascetic god of destruction and transformation. She longed to be his consort, but her father despised Shiva, seeing him as a wild and uncivilized ascetic unworthy of his noble daughter. Despite her father's objections, Sati performed intense tapasya, austerities, to win Shiva's favor. Pleased by her devotion, Shiva accepted Sati as his wife, and they lived happily on Mount Kailash. However, King Daksha never accepted their marriage. In his arrogance, he organized a grand yagna, sacrificial ritual, and invited all the gods and sages, except Shiva and Sati. When Sati learned about the yagna, she was heartbroken that her father had deliberately excluded her husband. Against Shiva's advice, she decided to go to the ceremony, hoping to change her father's heart. Upon arrival, she was humiliated by Daksha, who insulted Shiva in front of everyone. Unable to bear the dishonor of her husband and the pain of her father's hatred, Sati self-immolated in the sacred fire of the yagna, vowing to be reborn to a father who would respect Shiva. When Shiva learned of Sati's death, he was consumed by grief and rage. He created Virabhadra, a fierce warrior, to destroy Daksha's yagna. Virabhadra and Shiva's army ravaged the ceremony, and Daksha was decapitated. Later, Shiva, in his compassion, restored Daksha's life, but with the head of a goat. Still mourning Sati, Shiva carried her lifeless body and wandered the universe in sorrow. To restore balance, Lord Vishnu used his Sudarshan chakra to cut Sati's body into 51 pieces, which fell across the Indian subcontinent, becoming sacred sites known as the Shakti Pithas. True to her vow, Sati was later reborn as Parvati, the daughter of King Himavan. In her new life, she again won Shiva's love and became his divine consort, marking the eternal bond of Shiva and Shakti.